Hey everyone, my name is Amber and today's video is going to be a luxury review. So today I am going to be reviewing the Clemence wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is a wallet now I've had for over a year, so I feel like I can give you an accurate review of my pros, my cons. I'm going to show you how it came and just give you a few other details as well. So first off, I got this wallet, my fiance, I have to give him credit. He got me this wallet for my 28th birthday and he surprised me with it. He did a lot of research on it and he got it exactly what I wanted. So I'm really excited. I was very surprised with this and it's such a nice gift and I'm so happy to have it. But with that being said, I am one of those people that I cannot just go out and buy 10 wallets or all the Chanel bags and Hermes bags and stuff like that. I do have to do some research when I'm buying a product because I just don't have that much money to just throw around. And so I want to give you guys my honest review of this so that if you are looking to spend your money, I understand your hard-earned money. I wanted to give you all the pros and cons. So first off, I'm going to show you how it came. So it comes in the Louis Vuitton bag. And I keep everything whenever I buy things, so even though I bought this a year ago, I still have everything that came with it. It's kind of a memory for me. I know a lot of people don't keep these things, but I like to keep the boxes. I like to keep all the details of it in case for some reason I ever sell it or anything. I don't plan on it because, like I said, I love this product, but I do like to keep it all. So it comes in the box like this. It's so cute. It still has the bow on it, and it comes in the little pull out. And then it has the little dust bag, so obviously I don't have it on because it's right here, but it comes with a cute dust bag, and then it came with a sample of the Louis Vuitton perfume. I really love the extra details that luxury brands put into their products, and it's just into their accessories. I think it's great that they put a dust bag even for the wallet, and that there's even a little baggie for the perfume sample. I think that's really awesome. So, and then it comes with the receipts in here. So let me see what we have. I have not opened this in a while. So I have it's a gift receipt. Like I said, keep all your receipts. It's super important if you're ever gonna sell it. So Vince actually always writes me a note on things that he gets me. So it says, Amber Colada Chihuahua, I love you very much. I hope you enjoy this wallet. This is almost as stunning as you. Love, Vince. He was hoping it'd all be on the same page. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they put Vince on the second page. But yeah, so the gift receipt, it comes in this. Then there's Louis Vuitton. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials. Please visit us again either online or at louisvuitton.com or at Louis Vuitton store. Yes, so there's a little pamphlet there. And then I have a return voucher. I don't know if I have gotten these with other ones. I don't need the return voucher, but like I said, I keep everything intact. I'm very organized with my stuff. I take care of it. I like things to last. Okay, so I'm gonna go through just like the basics of this wallet so that you guys are aware. So I have the monogram wallet. You can see I love the monogram detail. I do have another Louis Vuitton bag in the other print, but this is the print I wanted for a wallet, and I think it's just gorgeous. And then I have the fuchsia color. So if you can see, this is my real wallet. I really use it. It's got stuff in it, but it does have the fuchsia color. I just love this color. I think it's so pretty. I decorate just my things in my room with this color. This color is one of my favorite colors. It's called fuchsia, but I would say it's more like a burgundy. All right, so I'm gonna go through the details. I pulled it up on my computer just so I can be very factual. So this product, where I am right now, I'm in California. I put it on the website. It's telling me that it retails for $530. It really, I think, depends on probably where you're at. And of course, taxes are definitely would be add more to it. The dimensions of this wallet. So the dimensions of this wallet are the 7.85 inches in length. The height is 3.54, and then the width is 0.79 inches. If you get like the Zippy wallet, because the Zippy wallet is the most similar wallet from Louis Vuitton, the Zippy wallet is a little bit shorter, and it's a little bit shorter in length and a little bit taller. I really like this one because I feel like this wallet is very sleek and slim. It has the 8 credit card slots, which is important, and then it has the other slot. So let me show you. So in here, you can see, don't worry, I already know none of my cards will be showing. But yeah, so we have 8 slots between here and on the other side. There is the coin slot in the middle, and then you can put money, just like lay it flat in here, or there are 2 spots in the back. So I actually don't use these back slots rarely ever. I think I've used them maybe to put like a special card, like a card there, something that I needed to keep separate. But for the most part, I use the 8 slots, and then I'll put like coupons or anything in here, in the little slide right here. I do not use the coin purse. Any wallet, even if it was a $20 wallet, I don't like seeing the imprint of coins in your purse. I don't want it to make it bulky. And I don't pay with cash that often, so I have a little coin purse that I keep in my bag. If I'm carrying like a bigger bag, I'll keep a coin purse there. The cool thing about this is it has the gold zipper. I really like the gold zipper. I just like the detailing. And then I don't think I mentioned it, but the outside has this type of zipper, so you don't have the gold zipper on the outside. Now let me go through the pros I like about this. So what I like about this is, like I said before, it's very slim, it's sleek. I like the longer, thinner look versus the zippy wallet. If you're comparing this to like the Sarah wallet, I don't prefer a clasp or like a button. The Sarah wallet has a button that you like close it with. I like the zipper. I think the zipper's fast and easy. It's more my style. So I really love the zipper. I love that I can fit 8 cards. At first I was worried because I have so many like cards and, you know, loyalty cards, credit cards. A lot of that stuff I realized can be put on your Apple Passport phone. So I did that with a lot of my cards, and then I just have like the rest of my coupons sitting in here. But I thought it was going to be kind of an issue having so many cards, and it pretty much works. I like that I can lay the money flat. I do not like the wallets that fold the money. I like to have it flat. I think it looks better. You can look and quickly see what you have and file through it, sort through it. Like I said, I keep coupons in here, so if I'm at the store, I can quickly like go through and find the coupon I want. Oh, and then pros is, like I said, I get this wet all the time. I carry this, I'll carry my phone and I'm like out the door, and then I'll carry a drink, and if I get it wet or something, I've been able to just wipe it dry. I've never had any staining. It is coated, so you shouldn't have staining, but I just want to prove to you that like there's literally nothing there. It's so clean. It's honestly the easiest wallet to keep clean. For cons now, I have a couple cons. So my first con with this is I love the zipper inside, but sometimes it gets stuck and it will go stuck sideways. So if I zip it up, it got stuck sideways. So if I zip it up, I don't know how well you can tell, but you see this little like indent or this bulge right here. That's because the zipper is stuck sideways in there. It doesn't always do that, but it does it a lot of the times. It just kind of bugs me. It's not really like, I'm just afraid it's gonna like damage this area. So let me show you again so you can see that zipper. It just gets stuck sideways. Another thing that is, this to me is a pretty big con. Now I like to keep things super clean, super immaculate, like take care of all of my luxury items. With that being said, I do not just throw this around. I'm not rough with this at all. However, if you look at my edging, there's little, right there, if you can see, there's one there. There's a little wear on the edges, and it's almost like little, I don't know what you would call it. The edging is coming apart almost. And I've only had this a little bit over a year. So my birthday was last June when we got this. So now it's been a year and a half, and it's getting a little wear here. I'm not too worried. It's a wallet, so I'm not too worried, but I definitely see it, especially on this corner here. You can probably lightly see there's a little fraying. I'm not too worried because I trust Louis Vuitton. I know Louis Vuitton will take care of it if there's any issues, I'm sure, because it's their product. I've heard of them replacing things or taking care of things, so I'm not too worried about that, but I definitely think that's a huge con for only having this a year and a half, and it's a luxury item at $530 plus tax. It shouldn't have that. But yeah, so here's this. I know that a lot of times when people do reviews, they like to see if the phone fits. Honestly, I wouldn't fit my phone in there. I think it's too big, but I have the pop socket on it and a bit bigger case, so I wouldn't even really try. Let's see. Well, and mine's the iPhone 10. Yeah, my iPhone 10 won't fit in there, but I don't like to put my phone inside. I usually just hold on to it on the outside like this. And I'm totally fine with that. Have my keys, and then I'm good to go. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this. I just want to do a quick video for you guys because I do think it's important to do your research, especially when you're spending more money. But I do recommend this. Like I said, biggest con was the edgeware, but I love this wallet. I'm glad I have this wallet. And other than that, it's done great. And it's such a nice item to have, so I just wanted to let you guys know. But if you have any questions, please place them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit subscribe for more videos, and yeah, have a great day.